Hello and welcome to Cut News. You are watching the mainstream. I'm Sarim Piso and I hope you're doing good and I hope you're doing well. And let's begin with the top story today, Wednesday, the 2nd of September. Autonomous State Demand Committee criticized the ruling BJP, saying 7 years have gone since the BJP had given a written assurance to grant an autonomous state for Karbi Anglong and North Kachar Hills. ASDC accused the ruling for the false promises. NSUI Karbi Anglong demanded to refrain the state vice president of BJP Kisan Morcha Satya Ranjan Bora to entry in Karbi Anglong. The student body says wherever he goes, he makes communal speech. And the Union Health Ministry says on Wednesday that 54% of the COVID-19 cases reported in India are in the age group of 18 to 44 years, while 51% that are among the people aged 60 and above. The Autonomous State Demand Committee criticized the ruling BJP, saying the 7 years have gone since BJP had given a written assurance to grant autonomous state for Karbi Anglong and North Kachar Hills. A press release of ASDC says accusing the then National General Secretary of the BJP, Tapir Gao, who wrote a formal letter to the then President of the BJP Karbi Anglong District Committee, Mr. Arun Terang, on 6th of May 2013, promising to create autonomous state if voted to power. The people of Karbi Anglong and North Kachar Hills voted overwhelmingly in favor of BJP, thinking that autonomous state will be created if the BJP come into power. Autonomous State Demand Committee accused the BJP of making false promises and asking apology to the people of Karbi Anglong and North Kachar Hills. The NSUI Karbi Anglong demanded to refrain the state vice president of BJP Kisan Morcha Satya Ranjan Bora to entry in Karbi Anglong later this month for some meetings. Addressing the press conference, the students' wings of Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee asserted that wherever Satya Ranjan Bora goes, he gives communal speech. The students' body also says that the beautiful and peace district of Karbi Anglong will be disturbed if he really comes to the district. This was informed this afternoon at Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee at Difu here on Wednesday. Alright, so let's slip into a little short break here at the mainstream, but lots more coming up on the other side. Don't go anywhere.
আজিকালি যিকোনো পাৰ্টি মানে কাঞ্জ জুচ বাই দি ৱে তো কমলাটো খাইছিলি না আনাৰসৰটো পাহাৰীয়া কমলা আৰু আনাৰসৰ পৰা তৈয়াৰ কৰা কাঞ্জ জুচ সম্পূৰ্ণ বিশুদ্ধ কাঞ্জ জুচ খাওক জীৱনৰ মজা লওক কাঞ্জ জুচ
Want to increase the productivity of your crops or thinking to buy machinery tools and agricultural equipment? Here's the one-stop destination for your needs. Hanse Agricultural Machinery and Tools Private Limited and Hanse Automobile Private Limited is here to fulfill all your needs. Here you will get 3 wheels auto rickshaw, auto truck, tractor, power tiller, tempo, etc. Facilities and tools available are water tank, 2-wheel farm hand tractor with reaper, H-wheel, land leveler, cultivator, rotavator, hydraulic trailer, etc. For loan facility and further details, please contact at 7002045078 or 9854923592. Hanse Agricultural Machinery and Tools Private Limited and Hanse Automobile Private Limited, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong.
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি এটি আৰু চিন্তা নাই কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ওয়াটাৰ বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ওয়াটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াবহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব
কাঞ্চ ওয়াটাৰ
Welcome back to the mainstream. The Union Ministry says on Wednesday that 54% of the COVID-19 cases reported in India are in the age group of 18 to 44 years, while 51% deaths are among the people aged 60 and above. Presenting an analysis of COVID-19 cases mortality on the basis of age, it is also said that 36% of the fatality reported are in the age group of 45 to 60 years, 11% in the age group of 26 to 44 years, and 1% each among people aged 18 to 25 years and those below 17 years. India's COVID-19 tally of cases galloped past 37 lakh on Wednesday, with 78,357 new instances of disease reported in a day, while the number of recoveries crossed 29 lakh, pushing the recovery rate to 76.98%. The death toll climbed to 66,333, with 1,045 more fatalities reported in 24 hours, comprising 21.26%. That's the wrap of this edition at the mainstream, but lots more coming up on the other side. Arun Legte is bringing you the prime time in Karvi here on Cut News Channel, so don't go anywhere.